To me, thank you.
Good morning. Are you Devont Anderson? And Mr. Anderson, in cause number 23 DCCR 0288, there's a motion to revoke probation filed, and same in 23 DCCR 0290. And what is the announcement?
Your Honor, we don't have an agreement. I believe it's probably best to go through the motion.
Okay. Give me just a second to get those. Can you print the second one?
And I don't know if I have the amended one.
I don't see an amended one.
I don't know.
Okay, I thought we said a while ago.
I think we'll mix it up.
Okay. I'm good.
Give me just a second to get them both pulled up, printed out. Mr. Anderson, while we're waiting on those to print out, would you, best you can, raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? All right.
I think you're same violations in each case.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, looks like it. Yeah.
All right, and will your client waive the formal reading of the motions in each case?
Your Honor.
Mr. Anderson, in cause number 23, DCCR 0288, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation October 24th of 2023 for the second-degree felony offense of sexual assault of a child, and that was a 7-year deferred probation. Is that correct? And in cause number 23, DCCR 0290, I also have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation that same date, October 24th of 2023, for indecency with a child by sexual contact, a second-degree felony, and that was also a 7-year deferred probation. Is that correct? Each of these motions allege that you violated your probations. Count 1 in each motion alleges that you failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Department by mail or online for the months of November and December of 2023, and then January, February, March, April, May, and August of 2024. And is that true or not true? Count 2 in each case alleges that you failed to work faithfully at suitable employment and provide verification of that. And is that true or not true? Count 3 in each case alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing your community service hours. Is that true or not true? It just says that you didn't give proof that you did your community service hours that were required. Did you do that?
I did some.
Okay, we'll just put a not true on that one. Count 4 alleges in each case that you failed to complete a substance abuse assessment and follow any recommended treatment plan. Is that true or not true? Count 5 in each case alleges that you provided urine samples April 23rd of 2024, August 13th of 2024, September 19th of 2024, November 25th of 2024, and December 5th of 2024, and then January 30th of 2025 that all tested positive for marijuana. And is that true or not true? Count 6 alleged that you failed to successfully complete an approved sex offender treatment program. Is that true or not true? It says that you were unsuccessfully discharged December 6th of 2024. Okay. Count 7 in each case alleged that you failed to submit to the polygraph examination as required December 6th of 2024. Is that true or not true? Count 8 in each case alleges that you failed to not enter a sexually oriented premises in that you admitted to your Harris County officer that you went into an adult bookstore. Is that true or not true? I'm sorry? Not true? Count 9 in each case alleges that you failed to not use any online services, social media, or anything like that unless approved, in that you admitted to your Harris County officer that you accessed the internet without monitoring software. And is that true or not true? Count 8 alleges in each case that you're behind in your court-assessed fees. And is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true in each case to counts 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9? Would you, Mr. Hoffpower,
Motion to amend that to number 10 instead of number 8.
any objection to that?
Repeat that, Judge?
The number,
Oh, no.
it should be
Okay,
number
yeah.
10,
I'm
and it
sorry,
says
yeah.
number 8. Any objection to him
No.
orally amending that? All right, so that, I'm gonna change that. In each case. Okay, so did you enter your pleas of true to those counts freely and voluntarily? And because those counts are actually true. All right, I'm going to find in each of your cases that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence in each case to find you guilty and revoke your probation, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to reset your case for a sentencing hearing so that I can get an updated pre-sentence report done, or an updated report done by the probation department. Your attorney will be able to present any evidence on your behalf, and so will the state, and we will come back for a hearing at a later date. All right, you can go back with the bailiff. Unagreed. Ma'am, how are you? Good morning, sir. You're Charles Elam?
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
He will.
Let me get it pulled up correctly here, just a second. All right, Mr. Elam, in cause number 15-22022, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation June 27th of 2016 for the third-degree felony offense of driving while intoxicated, third or more, and that was a 10-year term in prison that was probated for 10 years. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It alleges that you violated your probation by committing in count 1, by committing the offense of driving while intoxicated, third or more, March 7th of 2023 in Chambers County, Texas. And is that true or not true?
True.
And count 2 alleges that you failed to never become intoxicated or under the influence of intoxicating substance, and that you were intoxicated March 7th of 2023. And is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1 and 2 freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead true to those counts because they're both actually true?
Yes, ma'am.
Here's a critical moment. Signing documents and waiving your right to appeal. That's huge, essentially. Once he signs, challenging this decision later gets much harder. Think of it as legally locking the door behind you. Also, watch how the judge confirms he understands everything. Might sound like formality, but in courtroom strategy, clarity is key. Quick question for you watching. Have you ever wondered how much people actually understand the legal documents they sign?
I have some documents here on the computer that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Ms. Holmes?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Elam is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, give me just a second to get this pulled up. I guess this was all done before we were putting in PSIs for me to see.
He He's been in custody since 2023. We actually had to bench warrant him because he's been in TDC.
He has.
He was sentenced in Chambers County already to TDC.
Okay.
You have the criminal history, Your Honor?
Yeah, I just kind of wanted to make sure.
This was, he had a DWI third that he got put on probation for and revoked. The offense date of that was 2002.
Okay,
And so that's why I agreed to probation on this one, because there's about a
gotcha.
15-year gap.
Okay. All right, then, Mr. Elam, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to count.
Boom. That's the dramatic reveal. Probation revoked. 6 years in TDC, and notice how the court mentions credit for time. Already served, those small details can shave months off a sentence. This is where the stakes hit hard. He's facing serious prison time now. Also, Texas law makes him ineligible for firearms going forward, a reminder of how criminal convictions ripple into everyday life. What do you think? Does the punishment fit the pattern of repeated offenses?
1 and 2 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, and at this time, revoke your probation. Reassess your punishment in accordance with your agreement to a term of 6 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows that this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I'm also going to hand you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk to Ms. Holmes. Good luck to you, sir. You can go back with the bailiff.